ever invited to Big Bag Wolf's media launch? It's located in Seaside Cube Wing.
Hi guys! So guess what? Big Bad Wolf is back in Cebu City at SM Seaside. And after how many years we can finally shop for our favorite books. So excited! And everyone still loves books even though it's post-pandemic. So guys, check them out. Big Bad Wolf from September 15 to October 1. Yeah, so come here and drop by.
There hasn't been Big Bad Wolf for a while, so we got so excited for this.
A reader, tomorrow a leader, right? Somebody said that.
We witnessed the ribbon cutting conversations BBW. They use letters to identify the prices. There's a lot of book choices. And then we started shopping.
Yes,
We saw our best
shopping
friend too.
Come here, Tom. There's so much books, so much selection. I got a Nemo. So Jen's already shopping right now. I know, basta kay David, eh? Insa. Saan nakabuy ko books?
There's a lot of children's books for baby top and baby Kaden.
Man, do you like this one? Or are you mad?
Then you're just asleep.
Laptop! Laptop! I got this for you! Laptop! Wow! You know what this is? Very good.
Yes.
We then started going around to shop some more.
So Jen is shopping now for... There's like so much books. I love it. We can't get enough books. There's so much books. So there's a lot of books here. It's good because everything is by section. So we're now in the children's section because as you can see, we have two boys. And of course, readers will always be leaders. That's what Vice Mayor Alvin Garcia said. Magbabayad. Ay, naku. Okay. Pop wants me to buy this. I'll put it in the cart. So, as you can see, everything is in like a letter. And then we're gonna show you guys the... How do you say it? Basically the price point. The price points there. So, it says Q to make things less confusing. So, the price would be 760 pesos. So not bad for this since it's a collection. There's a lot of prayer books also. This time wala pa kay tao. Wala, my first prayer. Yeah, actually I have something like that already. First Bible story, that's very important. Tama ko, Bible girl? Yeah. And of course here are some other sections. Beauty and fashion. Oh, it's Richie. Hi! Hello, hello. It's here. Top bless. Bless stop. Wow. We're hungry now. There's healthy cookery. There's travel. There's transportation. Ooh, photography. So this is my section. Guys, the layout here is pretty big compared. I mean, it's spacious. Well, no. Actually, the layout is different compared to the old one, but it's really nice too. Everything is organized. The price points are also organized. So it's a pretty nice experience. Also a nice place, especially if you're into books, which we are. So everything's here. So it's really nice to visit here. Wow. Okay. So we also found 60 pesos book. Great deals. Oh no. Tapos asking us to buy. Hatag, mommy, Jen. Anyways, we're gonna go back to shopping and we're gonna pay her. Check them out, Big Bad Wolf from September 15 to October 1. Yeah, so come here and drop by.